Sort of dick all that. I know why. Runs in through there. I'm gonna have to put a hole in it. Get a drill out and just fucking put a small hole in it. Sucks. Oh, fucking hell. My balls! Oh well. Right. Here we go. Work, day 2. Let's do this! There isn't much to discuss, as per, you know, life's still a shit. I really don't know what to say half the time. I haven't been making vlogs because of it. I mean, there is literally fuck all to talk about. I mean, we had that -5 morning the other week. We've had a few cold ones since then. Nowhere as bad, you know, like -2 and 3. It's been alright, not too bad. There's just sod all to talk about, because as you know, we can't go anywhere, we can't fucking do anything. River. So yeah, it's this. It has brought up a topic. Is this pandemic killing off vloggers? I mean, a lot of the people I used to watch stuff from, they've just seemed to have stopped altogether. They still upload to different social medias every now and again, but most of them have dropped off. It seems like it's only getting worse. Every time I speak about it in my video that I want to check in on people, more and more of them disappear. Is it killing off the community altogether in some respects? Yeah, some would say yes, some would say no. I can see it's doing something to the community. I can see a lot of people who haven't been making videos or haven't been commenting as much, and I've got to be honest, I haven't been watching as many videos because I've been so busy with home and work, because just, you know, being a key worker in the UK with all this lockdown bollocks, it's just high demand shit, and my partner's also a key worker, so it's literally been non-stop. I wish I could say I've had time to do things, but I really haven't. Plus with the children, it's hard these days to find time to do anything for myself. I sometimes watch videos in bed when I should be sleeping, because, you know, sleep's for the weak. Oh, bollocks. Alright, here we go. That wasn't too bad. But yeah, as much as I enjoy watching them in bed, because I'm so shattered all the time, I fall asleep, so I forget to comment. Sorry! But I know I'm down on me viewing, and I haven't been viewing as much, and a lot of people aren't making videos at the moment unless they're the bigger YouTubers who've got, well, more subs and more reason to still be going out. Because I know some people are still testing bikes and some people are still doing review videos and things, but meh. And it dawned on me, it's like, Jesus Christ, we're nearly at the end of January. And I haven't done any vlogs, I haven't done anything since before Christmas. But as we all know, it's because there's fuck all to do. Can't go anywhere unless I'm going to and from work or shopping or exercise. I suppose I could talk about that. Some time ago, about a year ago, I started a regime of making sure I do a minimum of exercise per day. Obviously, I'd gotten quite round in the middle and round on my neck, because, you know, if anywhere's going to get fat, it's the bottom of your face, fucking body. And I realised that for all my, I don't want to say strength, because I wasn't very strong, you know, I was a bit of a blob, fatty bumbatty blubbernaut, you know, chunky monkey wobble slob. I was all of those things, you know. I was knocking back all kinds of unhealthy foods, and I was eating microwave burgers daily at work, and I could see myself deteriorating quickly. Wasn't as healthy, wasn't as, you know, like playing with the kids and I'd be fucking ruined within like 20 minutes. I'd just want to lie down and die for a day. So about a year ago I made the decision that I would stop this behaviour and change my ways. So far, so good. I'm now up to sets of 30 push-ups at a time, and all I do is one set of 30 in the morning before I leave the house. And of course I had to start slow, you know, I did a week of one push-up at a time, because it's not the amount of push-ups, it's the regularity with which you do them. You've got to do them daily. And that's all I've been doing, apart from the stuff I do at work. I generally don't have the time or the energy to do exercise at home, except when I first get up. And even then, sometimes I get disturbed in that because the kid thinks that it's playtime and he can jump on my back if I'm doing push-ups. But yeah, my current thing... No, not my current thing, I was talking about the past. Yeah, started with 1, next week I did 2, next week I did 3, and as I started getting better and stronger, I started doing more and more, and it's done me the world of good. I wish I could show you a before and after photo. I might have to have a look through my family photos and see if I was snapped at any point prior to my working out. Because I don't want to say the weight's dropped off, but my waistline has improved. I've just got to get the oomph behind me to start doing some fucking cardio or something, because that's where I'm struggling now. With all this COVID bollocks for the last year, it just dropped off me walking and hiking and camping. It's all just fell apart on that side of things. And I was hoping Airsoft would pick up the slack in that department, but we can't go airsofting because of COVID. Ah! So, yeah. But I just got to improve my capabilities and my longevity, because I'm finding myself running out of air quite quickly, running out of steam. It's quite difficult to get your losses back as well. I went through a phase of doing, like I say, 30 push-up sets, and then a while back I made it to 40, and I could even push beyond 40 if I needed to. Nowadays I'm back to struggling to get to 30, because any minor setback is days lost in exercise terms. You miss a day, you might as well have stopped for 4. It's that bad. So I've got to stay on it. I've got to keep doing it. So yeah. What are you guys all up to? How's it going over where you are? You all alright? You all still there? Yeah. How's your fitness? What are you doing to stay in some kind of human shape instead of becoming a blob like me? Well, we're still coming from down there, so let's go see what we can do. Shit. Making a go of it. My trusted friend and colleague, Stephen, has just said, do not turn right out of work. It is dangerous, do not go that way. Massive flooding apparently. I see it! Fuck! Fuck, 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 fuck! Oh, there's the water they're pumping out. No, not today. Yeah, that was fine. Fucking hell. Eesh. Yeah, they're basically pumping out those residents because they're flooding. Like fucking everywhere bastard else. Fucking hell. It's been like this all day since I got to work. And it was like this most of yesterday. I see what they were saying about yellow and orange weather warnings for this area. I spoke about it this morning because it was like, it wasn't even raining. There wasn't even a spit of rain. It's quite dry. Fucking hell. I don't know how long my camera's gonna last. She has a tendency to dislike this sort of weather and just give up because fuck 'em. Oh bollocks. Yes, I see what Stephen was talking about, because he was saying how he was how long has that been on? Oh well, fuck him. He said he aquaplaned. I see why. He only rides a 125, bless him. The thing's got fuck all weight in it except his ass on top of it. Sorry Stephen, beautiful ass. Now I've got to ride and find a route home because most of them are flooded. My lovely partner sent me a couple of updates on what the weather was doing and road closures and stuff. And basically, of the 3 major routes I used, 2 of them are definitely closed, 1 of them suspected. So, try and get home. See if this motorcycle is a submersible or not. I can tell you, I really want to go home, so yes, it fucking well is a submersible. Come on, just because you're enjoying a nice drive out, you twat, shift your ass.
Four, three, two, one. Thunderbirds are go.
Oh!